Hello everyone, and welcome back to Morgborg Tech. Today I'm going to try and repair this T-Mobile Samsung Galaxy S3. It turns on, but has a few issues, including bad volume control, a somewhat damaged USB port, and a passcode. So I'm going to try and fix these in this video. This is not a repair guide for your phone, it is simply just me documenting my experience attempting to repair the phone. Going into the emergency dialer and using volume control, we can see that I can turn the volume down on the phone, but not up using the volume buttons. Being able to use the volume up button on the phone is crucial to being able to reset the phone or using Odin for the same purpose. As for the physical condition of this phone, we can see that there are cracks on the plastic back cover as well as scuffs on some of the sides of the phone. Taking a look at the front glass on the phone, it is nearly immaculate. Moving over to my repair space, I have three different phones with me. On the left is my Boost Mobile Galaxy S3, which I'll be taking its volume control from. In the middle is the phone I'll be repairing, and on the right is my other T-Mobile S3, which I wanted to take its USB port from. However, it is soldered to the motherboard, and as such, I cannot take any parts I will need from this phone. Now it's time to get into my Boost Mobile S3. I will need to unscrew several screws holding down two plastic pieces that hide the internals of the phone from the user. When removing the second piece, there's a connector that needs to be unplugged as well. My next step is to remove the motherboard. To do this, there is another screw I need to remove, as well as several connectors, including the Wi-Fi cable. Now I need to gently remove the Wi-Fi cable from its socket and carefully peel back the volume control piece, which is held down by adhesive. Be careful doing this as it is a fragile part and could tear easily. To remove the volume buttons from the phone, I need to pry them out as well. This part is also held down by adhesive. Moving over to my T-Mobile Galaxy S3, the process for replacing the volume piece is the same, only now I have to also reassemble this phone. Now the new volume control part will be installed. This will need to be done carefully to ensure tearing doesn't occur. The reassembly process is the exact same as the disassembly process, except it's reversed. Now let's turn on the phone and check to see if both volume controls work. Both controls work, so let's turn off the phone to reset it. Now that the phone is reset, I got a bunch of errors in recovery, but I'll attempt to reboot the phone anyway. Now let's wait for the phone to turn on. Since that didn't work, I'll move over to my computer to launch Odin. Now I'll fetch the firmware needed for my phone. I downloaded it from samfw.com. Now that the firmware is in Odin, I will try to connect my phone to my computer. I unfortunately could not get the phone connected to my computer. As such, I could not entirely fix this phone. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace.